Video 654, Bombs for Josh, Part 4, Ignore Insert Key. Source code is here. You are on the fast playlist. If you want a slower explanation, go to the slow playlist. Okay, so in Conway's Game of Life, we did a little tiny change here. So in the optimized tile map putter and getter, there are early exits, there's early returns, and I've just made a little tag here to warn myself that there's an early exit here. And then in the, it's the getter. Okay, in the getter, so the getter and the putter both have early exits. All I'm doing is adding a little tag to let me know that there's an early exit here. So what the fuck does that have to do with ignoring the tab key? Well, in the Konomic section within the Konomic EVT key function that listens for keyboard events, here's where we want to ignore the insert key. And how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to add this section called Ignore Insert Key Hack. And notice that here, we also have an early exit. So I very rarely do an early exit from a function in my code. And so I just wanted to make sure that I have a consistent way of giving a warning tag to where I'm doing that. So if I see early exit in square brackets, I know that, something's going on, right? So I can grab this early exit, Control F, and I can see the problem here, the problem here, and the problem here. It's not really a problem, it's just that I try to avoid early exiting. I try to make sure there's only one point of return, but here I'm not doing it. Okay, so in old versions of JavaScript, you're going to have to do this, key code equals 45 for the insert key, or if it's a newer version of JavaScript, or we can just look for insert and a capital I and then lowercase with the other letters. So I'm going to check for both just to make absolutely sure that this runs in the most browsers as possible. That's what I'm doing there. And so all we're doing is ignoring, right? We're ignoring the insert key. If you press insert, we're going to exit out of the function. So as far as the Konami system is concerned, the Konami code system is concerned, as far as that system is concerned, the insert key no longer exists. Here's what we did previously. We got our footnotes and stuff, and here's what we did in this video. In the next video, we'll work on our bitmap graphics that are inserted into like bitpacked uint32s. And if you want a slower explanation of this video, go here to Ninja Coder. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. I'm making a game engine and a game from complete scratch. Like and subscribe.